Want to know how I transform this to this in 6 hours? Cool, I can break it down in 2 minutes and 11 seconds. I wanted a cabinet space with storage for my microwave and other appliances, as well as glasses. This one was perfect. Easy to read instructions and well labeled parts made this process so smooth. The styrofoam is stressing me out. It is absolutely time for a beverage break. Okay, back to work. So, this is really and truly a two-person job. If I had help, it probably would have taken less than 6 hours. I probably could have cut that in half. So if you can get help because it's a lot by yourself. It is a lot. But needless to say, I enjoyed the process. Broke a couple of nails, and I probably should have worn gloves because I usually do when I'm doing this type of labor, because I do have decent length nails. And just make sure that you're following the instructions to a T. Make sure that you're using the proper tools, the hardware. Oh, another thing. You're going to need your own tools for this. It doesn't come with anything to screw the majority of the nails and screws in. So you will need your own tools for the hardware. Oh, second beverage break, because it was very necessary. But anyway, as you can see now, both the top and the bottom half are together. And now to lift it on my own, it's 71 inches tall with the legs at the bottom. And I'm 5'9", so what's that, 69 inches? I think math is not my ministry. But yeah, so here's the finished product. Thank you.